Okay. This is the new banjo. It does have a bridge. I just found that out earlier tonight. It needs a new sheepskin head, or needs a new head of some kind. I can try taping it once I remove it, but that'll only be a temporary, obviously. It says on here, patent of April 87, patent January 4th, 87. And this looks like 1887 to me, not 1987. But I don't think it's that old, although it could be. But I think the patent was 1887, maybe. Could be 1987, but it sure don't look like 1987 to me. But I don't know what model this is, what make, doesn't say. If anybody cares to try and guess, that's metal there. That is, to me, very unusual. See the turnbuckle and all that? I think it's a really nice instrument. It needs repair. The nut is loose up here. Hear it? I can't tune it properly with the nut loose and with the head broken, but I wanted to try and give it a little more of a play for you, the listener. It's had some old damage and, you know, not the best repair work done on it previously. I bought it at a pawn shop today, the Midwest Exchange pawn shop in Bloomington. They said it's a wall hanger. I said it's a repair project. Of course, I have a different feeling for banjos than a lot of people. If you haven't heard the story, we had one when I was a child, and my brother and I were, well, mainly my brother. He was the big brother after all. Decided to draw a crescent moon on the sheepskin head, and we ended up damaging it. Hid it in the closet for 15 years. I eventually got it repaired. It was a K banjo from the 40s or 50s of my dad, and I eventually got it repaired. Used it for several years, and then wound up losing it to a pawn shop. Maybe I'll be able to track it down one day. I did think that I found my old guitar, the hollow body. I'm pretty sure I found the actual one, but someone else already bought it, or I would have bought it. But that banjo, by the way, this has 3 strings on it right now. This Fender also has 3 strings on it. This was a gift from a man in Pekin. I'll have to look up his name, and I'll add it in the comments later. This has 3 strings on it too, because I don't have enough tuning machines yet. Also, I need to file down or sand down the nut, which is made out of 2 popsicle sticks that I glued on there. And that's probably temporary, but just wanted to get it to play again to start with, and it had a pretty badly broken headstock. It wasn't all the way broken off, but it was cracked pretty badly. Glued that. Whoops. And excuse me. It's a pretty good sounding guitar in spite of all of that. And no, it's not in tune either. I think it's a good project still. Yeah, it's 3 strings. They're not even the right strings. They're used strings, and it's just some leftover strings I had. Because yeah, I do save the old ones because I might need them for a repair project such as this one, just to test out the thing a little bit before I do more repairs. And yes, I'm not a professional guitar repair technician yet, but I'm trying to learn how. I think I want to build my own guitar at some point. I have I can remember 3 or 4 cigar boxes that I have thought about trying to make into guitars, but I also think they're collectible just as cigar boxes because of the artwork, both on the outside and the inside of them. So I might just leave them alone. Thanks for watching.